What's up, guys? This is Luke W. coming back at you again today with my buddy Nathan Ross.
What's up, guys?
In this video, we're going to teach you how to kind of close in the DMs. That's just a little expression for making sales and closing them after you've built up an Instagram, for instance. So, Nathan, I'm going to let you take over the mic a little bit and teach us a little bit about how to start closing in the DMs, for instance, on Instagram.
Yeah. So with Instagram, if you guys are building a brand, whether it's a personal brand or you have it for, Amazon FBA, you're selling physical products, info products, it doesn't matter. If you have an audience on social media, on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, it really doesn't matter. I mean, I guess YouTube doesn't really have DMs, but with Instagram, for example, you can take a lot of those followers that are messaging you and turn those into money. Now, the thing with that is it's all about building relationships and providing value, because the thing is that if someone's following your social media page, they're following it to, see your content, engage with you as a person. They're not necessarily there to buy stuff, but that's also a great reason to sell stuff because people aren't expecting it, and you can actually provide value in a way that exchanges money. And so if you guys have a lot of people messaging you now, the best way to actually close in the DMs is to get to know your followers. Actually, talk to them, converse with them, get to know them as a person. What do they do for work? What are their hobbies? What are their interests? Because the thing is, the more you know about someone, the easier it is to sell them. Now, that's not to be, a manipulative, fashion or whatever. It's just about serving them in the best possible way. And so if someone has a lot of back pain and you're talking about, hey, Joe, how's your day going? It's like, oh, I have a lot of back pain. I don't know what's causing it. Oh, have you tried this, and that? Oh, no, I haven't tried that. I've heard this heating pad has worked really well. Say you have a heating pad on Amazon, then you can insert that link. The thing is that if you get to know someone and build that relationship and provide a solution to a problem they're already talking about, then it's going to be a very seamless sale, and it's going to increase your sales. It's going to get even a better review because there's even better rapport with that specific person. And so you can do this on a wide range with people that are already messaging you, and you can also reach out to people that are already in your industry. So for example, say you're in the home remedies niche or whatever, and you have a Instagram page that's all about your FBA product or even an info product. You can reach out to other big pages within that industry, whether it's, happiness or, just natural remedies, essential oils, all that type of stuff. And what you can do is you can engage with a lot of the people within that community already. And you can also, follow those people to maybe get some followers on your page, but also when they follow you, reach out to them and talk to them and say, hey, how's it going? I saw you on this page. I'd love to, connect with you or something like that. And what that will do is it'll start the conversation within that specific industry. And so if someone sees, oh, you're coming from that page, it automatically, subconsciously connects that connection to the actual topic of the product you're selling. And so if, say, it's in the home remedies niche or, natural remedies, something like that, you're talking to someone and then you're like kind of getting to know them and saying, oh, so how do you like the content on this page? Oh, it's helped me a lot with my back pain. Oh, really? So you have back pain, so you've been using essential oils and stuff? Oh, no, I haven't. I've actually been looking into essential oils and different various products like that. And so them coming up with their own solution in their head but not really knowing where it is, you can go ahead and provide that to them, and it's going to be a very easy sale. And so this is something you can do with your Amazon FBA product, whether you have an info product, you're looking to do consulting, you're looking to do affiliate marketing. It really doesn't matter. If you have something to sell, there's going to be people that want to buy it on social media. It's just about capturing those people, and that's exactly how to do it.
That's awesome, man. And the video I made previous to this one's actually how to kind of grow your Instagram account. So you want to be targeting the right audience before you even get into this. Otherwise, you're going to start talking about back pain and heating pads, and they're like, what, I'm an athlete. I don't have any of these problems or anything. So, I'm a physically fit athlete and I don't have any problems about this. So you want to target the right people, and that's kind of the video that I covered before. But again, we're going to have Nathan's link down below to his Facebook or whatever. You can send him a message there. I'm sure he's going to be great in the messages, responding to you guys real quick anyway. But are there any last tips that you can give us? Because, there's so many places. Just give us a brief in-look on how to actually get the leads in the first place. Facebook groups, they're all over the place.
Yeah. So Instagram is great. Facebook groups are great. YouTube, honestly, you can just kind of take people from YouTube and then bring them over to Instagram or Facebook or whatever. When it comes to Facebook groups and things like that, what it's going to do is it's going to already put you in a scenario where people are already conversing back and forth about the topic, to where you can just interject, provide a lot of value. And probably the biggest tip that I have is provide 80% value and ask for the sale 20% of the time. Now, the reason I say that is because you might think, oh, well, I mean, I'm wasting a ton of time, not getting enough sales. But the thing is one, you want to treat your customers the way you're going to be treated. And the other thing is that you don't want to give off the vibe that you're going to always be selling people. You want to be providing value, because that keeps your follower retention rate up. Because you don't want to have a bunch of people not follow you anymore because you're selling them all the time. You'd rather provide value, and then when the time is right and they're actually looking for the solution to their problem, you can provide that.
And then not only that, you're even building a more of an engagement between that person, and you're learning more about what their problems are. So then that gives you more time to learn what their problem is. It's just like, I read in the Jordan Belfort book about sales, there's the straight line, and you want it, this is the line to the sale. The sale's at the end of the line, but you're going to be going up and down talking about the sale or not talking about the sale. And you want to keep that line going, and it's going to go up and down, but ultimately at the end, you're learning about their pains, we're talking about football over here, but now we're learning back about their pain, and then the sale comes at the end. You just got to engage, build the good relationship with them, and then, at the end of the day, they're going to be happy to buy from you and leave a review in the end. So I think that pretty much sums it up, guys. So thanks a lot for watching. If you want to learn more about these types of entrepreneur type videos, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to smash that thumbs up button, guys. So we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.
Take it easy.